What's up, YouTube? Back at it one more time. Gonna do an update on the bird cage. We got it all decked out here. We got some small bush leaves in there, small tree leaves in there, so they can feel at home, feel comfortable. Got two new purchases: fresh food, fresh water, and they're happy. This is the blue one that we had first, and this is the new one. It's got a pretty color pattern. They get along really well in the same cage. The blue one's older, the green one's younger. The blue is a female, green one is a male. The green one has been teaching the younger one how to eat, how to survive. And we'll be back with you again for another update on Fatboys Animal Farm. This is the new cage. I think it said it was 11 by 22, but I'm not sure at this moment. I have to recheck that. But yo, this is what we got going on. Like, share, subscribe.